say? Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Turn left to Florida's Turnpike North, Orlando, toll.
As you fade away, yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up
Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're actually saying bye to Florida. We're on our way back home. And actually we left out for Fort Lauderdale around 5 o'clock this morning. It's actually almost 7:30 now. We're close to Jacksonville, I want to say. So based on the ETA, we should be home around after 12 Wednesday morning. So let's see if we can actually do this journey back again without stopping, just like we did coming in. But Florida, I enjoyed you. We enjoyed you. Thank you for having us, Tamika and Chris. Karen, big up yourself. Nisha, big up yourself. Shay, big up yourself. Everybody that we was able to actually meet up with. So Connecticut, here we come. Back to school, business as usual. So back to reality.
guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. Fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hey guys, so we just stopped here at a little bit out of Jacksonville, just reached like a border, Georgia and Florida, basically. Stop at a rest stop to get something to eat. We do two little baby stop first. Like get Red Bull or something, but we actually a stop now for the rest of the food. Like this is 5 hours in. So right now it's like, well, we kind of stop here for a minute now. So stop here around 5 minutes after 10. It's now 25 after. So everybody's already packed up back into the vehicle and we're on our way to continue our journey. So continue watching, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so, okay?
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror.
One more stop, guys. We're here in South Carolina. Stop for gas. We're going to use the restroom. Stay close to your brother. Wait, how much further before we reach home, babes? Much further before we reach home? 10 hours? 11 hours before we reach back to Connecticut. So everybody gonna use the restroom and then off. get out of this place real quick.
Going by Pikachu.
No, man, no Pikachu. Alright, guys. See you back on the road shortly. Guys, one more stop. We've been driving for a minute. So we're in Virginia. Stop for guests and to use the bathroom. It's right now, it is 6:09. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's just going to find the restaurants. 6:09. Saying we should reach home by a couple minutes after 1. So let's see.
Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
I got a camera up on me.
McHenry Tunnel.
The wind is howling like this swirling storm. Let it go. I want with the wind that's high. Let it go. Let it go. You'll never.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Guys, we are home. Sorry I was not able to record everything, but I was tired. I was sleeping most of the journey. We stopped one more time at our stop to get more gas and stuff like that. But it's now 2:30 and we're home. Home sweet home according to Tilly Tilly. So we're sure to pack our stuff down.
It's out! Videos! Hey, get back home! And know the house. And going for water.
So guys,
It's
if
good.
you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like and share this video. Until later, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for sad. Say what you feel for sad.